Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 28th October 2025, Nifty index opened positive and buying emerged to stretch the index to 26,000 marks in the first half of the session. Now, it witnessed minor profit booking but again picked up momentum from 25,900 in the last hour and closed with gains of around 170 points. Bulls re-attempted at support levels and the index floated above it quite comfortably. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and recouped all of the losses of the previous session. India VIX was up by 2.3% to 11.9 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.07. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,600 to 26,400 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,800 to 26,300 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 242 crores, while TIIs were buyers worth 2,423 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 26%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,900 for the next up move towards 26,100 and 26,277 marks, while support can be seen at 25,800 and 25,700 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 58,000 for the next up move towards 58,577 levels, while support can be seen at 57,500 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in PB Fintech, Bank of India, Indus Tower, MCX, SBI Life and Grasim, while some weakness could be seen in Kotak Bank, Supreme Industries and Astral. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.